Good morning, children. Welcome back to your online business study class. And today we will be starting the another topic from your chapter number 9, and that was small business. Right. So, as we have already discussed that how government of India has divided the SMME, it means government of India ने small business को कैसे categorize किया है. So they have basically categorized small business on the behalf of the investment done into the assets, यानी कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ही स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को डिवाइड किया जाता है और स्मॉल इंटरप्राइजेस को डिवाइड किया जाता है, राइट. तो this we already have done. Today we will be starting about the certain another industries which are playing a very important role, right? That was village industry. So let's start. What is village industry? So for village industry, it is basically defined that any industry which is located in a rural area, which produce any good, which render any services with or without the use of power, and in which the fixed capital investment per head or artisan or worker is specified by the central government from time to time. सो विलेज इंडस्ट्री बेसिकली है क्या, एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो कि कहाँ पे सेटअप है, कहाँ लोकेट है, एक रूरल एरियाज में लोकेटेड है. रूरल एरिया लोकेटेड बेसिकली मीन्स विच इज़ नॉट सेटअप इनटू अ वेरी डेवलप एरियाज और इन अ मॉडर्न एरिया, और यू कैन से which is not set up in a location of cities, right? So if any industry is there which is set up into a rural area, जो विलेज एरिया में या रूरल एरिया में सेटअप है, जो प्रोड्यूस कर रही है कोई भी गुड्स और या कोई ऐसी सर्विस को रेंडर कर रही है जिसमें या तो पावर यूटिलाइज हो रही है या पावर यूज नहीं हो रही, मीन्स दे कैन यूज द पावर और दे कैन नॉट यूज द पावर, बट द फिक्स capital investment per head is going to be decided by the central government time to time. So that kind of industry is called as village industry. Now if we compare this and with MSME definition, we have to note it down one thing, that even in case of MSCME also it was defined on the basis of investment. Same thing is occurring with the village industry also, कि village industry rural area में setup तो है, goods और services को provide या render कर रही है. हो सकता है एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जो रूरल एरिया में सेट है, गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रही है, पावर यूज कर रही है या नहीं भी यूज कर रही, बट दीज आर नॉट द थिंग्स विच आर गोइंग टू डिफाइन द विलेज इंडस्ट्री. द मेन डेफिनेशन ऑफ विलेज इंडस्ट्री विल कम on the basis of fixed capital investment which is going to be decided from central government time to time, right? So आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है, एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो रूरल एरिया में सेट है, गुड्स और सर्विसेज को प्रोवाइड करती है बाय यूजिंग पावर और नॉट बाय यूजिंग पावर, बट the fixed capital investment is decided by central government and even change time to time. That kind of industry will be called as village industry. Next industry we have, that is cottage industry. So I think you must be knowing about this cottage industry, which is also called as rural industry or traditional industry. Rural industry को और traditional industry both are same, right? But cottage industry and village industry are different. दोनों अलग हैं. How? Because when we talk about cottage industry, which we are saying as a rural and the traditional industry, they are not defined by capital investment which we are doing in case of village industry. Like village industry के केस में हमने क्या किया था, ये डिफाइन किया था कि एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो रूरल एरिया में सेटअप हो रही है गुड्स प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, सर्विसेज रेंडर करने के लिए, इनके लिए हो सकता है वो पावर यूज़ कर रही हो या फिर मे बी नॉट यूजिंग द पावर, बट उसका जो फिक्स कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट है इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी डिसाइडेड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द हेड, and time to time it will be changed also. That was village industry. But in case of cottage industry, the capital investment or per capital investment in per head are not going to be decided by the central government, or it means we can say that they are not defined by capital investment criteria as in case of other small scale industry. यानी जैसे बाकी की small scale industry थी, SSI थी, वो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट के बेसिस पे डिफाइन होती थी, राइट? बट कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री जो होती है वो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट के बेसिस पे डिफाइन नहीं होती. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज बेसिकली अ कैपिटल इंडस्ट्री. अगर कैपिटल इंडस्ट्री एसएसआई नहीं है, एसएसआई में स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर डिफाइन नहीं के जैसे डिफाइन नहीं होती है, तो इसके फीचर्स होते क्या हैं? So the first thing is that these are organized by individual एंड प्राइवेट रिसोर्सेज. इट मीन्स जो कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं उनको क्या कोई एक पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल ओपन करता है या रन आउट करता है, और द रिसोर्सेज विच ही इज़ यूजिंग फॉर दैट इंडस्ट्री इज़ देयर ओन. इट मीन्स हो सकता है कि किसी रूरल एरिया में किसी गांव ने किसी एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान ने एक अपनी छोटा सा कोई इंडस्ट्रीज ओपन कर लिए, राइट, और वो अपने खुद के रिसोर्सेज उसमें यूज़ कर रहा है. सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री. Next is normally used family labor and locally available talent. It means when we talk about cottage industry में जो people those who are working, जो employment opportunity provide करती है, और जो employee होते हैं वो either family के member ही होते हैं जो as a form of labor काम करते हैं, या फिर local areas के ही लोग होते हैं जिनका talent हम cottage industry में use करते हैं. Next is the equipment used is simple. The equipment which we are going to use in cottage industry should be simple. वो हमेशा simple equipments होते हैं, वो ज़्यादा complicated equipments use नहीं होते हैं cottage industry में. Capital investment is small. Why? Because it is basically an individual who is running that and even using his own resources. So उसका जो एक capital contributions होता है, investment होता है, उसमें कैसा होता है, एक छोटी अमाउंट में होता है. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोड्यूस सिंपल प्रोडक्ट नॉर्मली इन देयर ओन प्रीमाइसेस. नाउ द प्रोडक्ट विच इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोड्यूस इन cottage industry, these are a various normally a simple product and small in sizes, because the area which they use for producing these product is basically their own home, their own houses or their own premises. Next is production of good using indigenous technology. The technology which is used here for the production of cottage industry are basically using the indigenous technology or the old technology or the not a very modern technology, right? So this, if any industry is having all these kind of features, that industry we will be calling or we will be defining as a cottage industry, not on the basis of fixed capital investment definition. नेक्स्ट इज रोल ऑफ स्मॉल बिजनेस इन इंडिया. इट मीन जो स्मॉल बिजनेस है इंडिया में उसका कंट्री में कितना रोल है, हाउ मच प्रोपोर्शंस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आवर कंट्री और एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर गिवन बाय द हेल्प ऑफ स्मॉल बिजनेस, राइट. Now, small scale industry in India enjoy a distinct position in view of their contribution to the social economic development of country. And let's see what is that. First is the contribution of small industry to the balanced regional development of our country is noteworthy. Small industry in India account for 95% of the industrial unit in the country. It means if you talk about small business, अगर हम small business की बात करें, to maintain the balanced regional development, यानी एक बैलेंस रीजनल डेवलपमेंट को मेंटेन करने के लिए कंट्री में स्मॉल बिजनेस आर प्लेइंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, बिकॉज 95% ऑफ जो इंडस्ट्री है इंडिया में, 95% of small industry in India account for 95% of industrial unit in the country. It means जो हमारी country में industrial unit है उसका 95% किसको belong करता है, small business को belong करता है. No matter they have a very less amount of investment there, जो इनका capital investment होता है वो एक छोटा amount होता है, so that is the reason their percentage is also more. But these industries are basically set up into different places, जिसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा, अलग अलग रीजन का क्या हो रहा है, डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर गेटिंग द फीचर ऑफ बैलेंस्ड रीजनल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आवर कंट्री, यानी कंट्री की हर एक रीजन का डेवलपमेंट, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट इज small industry are the second largest employer of human resources after agriculture. They generate more number of employment opportunity per unit of capital invested compared to large industry. Now when we talk about small industry, so this is the second industry where the employment opportunities are given more. The first we have that most of the people in our country, India we are talking about, right? So most of the people in our country are engaged into agricultural work. So when we talk about the employment generation proportion, agriculture work contain the first position there, right? Agriculture work में सबसे ज़्यादा employment opportunity generate हो रखी अभी in India, right? Now next position was taken by small business. दूसरी position यानी दूसरी जगह जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा employment generate हो रहा है, human resources utilize हो रहे हैं, that was called as small business में. Now because they are generating more number of employment opportunity, So per unit of capital invested compared to large industries, if we compare the generation of employment opportunity of small business and the bigger business और large industry, अगर हम दोनों को compare करें, we will find that the capital investment into large industries are much more in comparison to small industry, but the employment opportunity generation was more in small industry in comparison to large industry. So this is beneficial for us. Which is giving more benefit for us? The small industries are more giving more benefit for us. Why? Because यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग की अर्निंग हो रही है, जो मनी का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है वो ज़्यादा के पास में जा रहा है, बिकॉज दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग मोर अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. And the reason behind this is also one more thing, because these industries, small industry, have a policy of labor intensive. They have a less capital intensive policy, but when we talk about the larger industry, उनकी जो policies होती है वो कैसी होती है? capital intensive होती है, labor intensive नहीं होती है. Next role of small industry in our country supply an enormous variety of product which include mass consumption goods. It means small industry is one of the industry of our country which is not only working for the production of one particular product, but it is supplying to the country a variety of product which include from a small product or to a bigger size product also, like consumptions good, that is also come from the small industry. Ready-made garment, hosiery goods, stationery items, soap, detergent, domestic utensil, leather. So these all different kind of variety product is produced by small industry. Now next say that small industry which produce simple product using simple technology and depend on locally available resources, both material, labor can be set up anywhere in the country. Now the another advantage a small scale industry is giving, that they are producing the product in a simple manner, and for producing these simple product they does not go for a very high technology manner. They basically use a simple technology. They are basically depending on the local available resources, जो already resources available है उनके local areas में, वो उन पे ही dependent होते हैं, using by raw material also or labor also, right? So just because of this the cost of the product is also very less. उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो local peoples होते हैं, those who are living in that location, they get the benefit of industrialization also, and they need to pay out a less amount for the product. So what basically it is giving, it is basically contributing to the balanced development of a country. इसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, because 95% इंडस्ट्री आपकी स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जो अलग अलग जगह डेवलप हो रखी हैं, सेटअप हो रखी हैं, राइट. इनकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, हर एक रीजन का एक बैलेंस डेवलपमेंट हो पा रहा है, इक्वली डेवलपमेंट हो पा रहा है. नेक्स्ट इज स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री प्रोवाइड एम्पल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. The latent skill and talent of a people can be channelized into business ideas which can be converted into reality with little capital investment and almost nil formalities to start a small business. Now when we talk about small business or small industry, it is also providing us opportunity for entrepreneurship. It is also providing an opportunity for entrepreneurship. Basically means to start a new business. If anybody individual want to start a new business, they have a talent, they have that skill, so these people can use their own business ideas to convert that as a form of reality, because they don't need to go through with a long or large amount of capital investment. And if we talk about the legal formalities to start a small industry, we don't need to go through with any formalities. यानी जिसमें formalities लगती हैं, legal formalities होती हैं small industry को start करने के लिए, वो nil होती हैं. Next is small industry also enjoy the advantage of low cost of production and locally available resources are less expensive. Establishment and running cost of small industry are on the lower side because of low overhead expenses. In fact, the low cost of production which small industry enjoys their competitive strength. Now this benefit basically say that small industry is also enjoying the advantage of low cost of production. Why low cost of production? Because the resources which small scale industry is going to utilize, that is from the local areas only, even right from the labor or from the raw material or even the other things also. These all resources are from the local area, and because of these local area resources, the cost of production is going to be decreased, and because of this, what will happen? The resources will be less expensive. Now the next advantage which small scale industry is going to give you, that will be due to small size of the organization, quick and timely decision can be taken without consulting many people as it happened into large size organization. Now this advantage basically say that if you are talking about small scale industry, because it has a less size, it is small in the sizes, and the organization has a quick and timely decision, so they don't need to go through with a very long high tempers. So this is basically what is happening here,